Are you sick of scraping through asset manuals, building endless spreadsheets, and going back and forth with import tools? With UpKeep Nova, you don't have to do any of that. You just have to talk. Hey Nova, I'm trying to add a bunch of conveyor belts to my account. I've attached an asset manual and a list of the conveyor belt serial numbers here. Can you build me a template to build all the assets from, as well as a template of a PM I should have for those assets based on the asset manual? Send me the details of that and let's review it together. And boom, just like that, I've got an asset template with a naming convention ready to go, and I even have a recommendation of a preventive maintenance schedule. Now let's go build this stuff. Hey Nova, let's go ahead and build out those assets. You might need to create the manufacturer in my account first. Then let's build out the PM template. Build one template and then one schedule within that template for each of the assets. Let's have the start date for all of those be on the last Friday of this month, and then continue to be a monthly PM moving forward. All right, awesome. We've got a plan. We're gonna go create a manufacturer, we're gonna create the assets, and then we're gonna create a PM template and the associated schedules. Now all I have to do is sit back and watch Nova work. So it looks like Nova went and tried to find if this vendor existed. It didn't, so it created a new vendor. We found the locations we needed. We created a bunch of assets. We were able to create the PM triggers that we needed along with the template. And Nova confirmed everything right here. We've got our asset built, we've got PM templates, and it only took me 2 minutes. If you're ready to be done with those manuals and spreadsheets, sign up and try Nova today.